Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making potato and leek tart. You're going to need 2 cups of cheese grated, 400 grams bacon, 2 leeks, 5 eggs, 3 tablespoons heavy cream, 5 potatoes or 900 grams, 1 onion, 4 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 teaspoon pepper. We're going to start with dicing onion in very small pieces. Slice the leeks into 1/4-inch rounds. Cut up bacon in very small pieces. Boil the potatoes in salt water until tender. Then drain and set aside. In a frying pan, cook the bacon until crispy. Remove the bacon and leave the grease in the pan. Then add diced onion and mix it in the bacon oil. Add leeks. Add half a salt, which is half tablespoon. Sprinkle half pepper, which is half a teaspoon. And then cook all that until it's soft. Add cooked bacon, mix it well. I use 11-inch baking pan, but you can use similar size. Before we put ingredients in, make sure you butter or oil it inside the pan so it doesn't stick. Line up the boiled potatoes in a pan and gently smash them with the cup to cover the bottom. Then we're going to spread the butter. Then add the rest of the salt. Add pepper. In a separate bowl, whisk eggs and heavy cream together. Evenly distribute the leek bacon mixture over the potatoes. Sprinkle the grated cheese on top. On the end, pour the egg mixture evenly over everything. Preheat your oven on 400 and bake it for 20 minutes or until golden and set. Remove from the oven and let it cool slightly and serve it warm. Enjoy the cheesy, crispy, and savory goodness. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.